Let's learn about cost per item here. You buy 4 gallons of milk for $12. What is the cost per gallon? We want to find the cost per gallon. So let's make a ratio here. We have the cost per, column there, gallon. So we have the cost per gallon. We are given that for 4 gallons of milk, we have a cost of $12. So we can write this ratio also as a fraction of the cost on first, then the gallons below. So the cost here is $12 per 4 gallons. Now, if we want to get the cost per gallon, we're referring here to 1 gallon, the cost per 1 gallon. So we can divide this 12 by 4, which gets us $3 per 1 gallon. 1 in the denominator, $3 per 1 gallon, that ratio, right? 4 goes into 12, we have 3. You can see that 1 here. And so we can write this now as the $3, $3 per, as referring again to 1 gallon per gallon. And so our answer here is $3 per gallon. I hope you learned something here about cost per item. And as always, thanks for watching.